SlowCast English, Episode 15, Family.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
How old is he?
He's 10.
Do you live together?
Yes, we do.
Is he funny?
Yes, very funny.
Nice. I have a sister.
Older or younger?
She's older than me.
Do you talk every day?
Yes. We are close.
That's sweet.
Family is important. Introduction to this podcast. A conversation about siblings. Mark and Amy discuss their siblings. Amy has a 10-year-old brother with whom she lives, and Mark has an older sister. Both share that they are close to their siblings, highlighting the importance of family.